guys. I'll show you how it wedges. Hope this isn't too loud over the camera. No, too loud here. It's not too bad. The Pro Band's awfully quiet compared to the old Worth that I used to have. Pretty simple process with the right tool. I make sure I got my right pipe here. They both have pieces of wedge, but one's longer than the other one. That's the long one. I'll do the long one first. One of them is pretty much straight underneath the truck. Wedge back out. The wedges don't want to wedge sometimes. There it goes. That's how one side looks. See how it's wedged a little better. Chinese collectors, so they're slightly bigger. Alright. We have to go over here. Some of these guys are losing their little bands here. Start flying all over the place. Hopefully I can get this 2.5 on here without breaking all over. It's going to break. We got lucky. Let me show you how this side works. I always take these off because I make a mistake of leaving the 3-inch on it. It comes into the wedge the wrong way. Spinning you all around here. Sorry to make it creak. There we go. I don't like using this side, but sometimes you have to just to bump the pipe out. Like that, just a hair. Fit right on there. Okay, this one first. I've got to bend it a little bit. Get you all over here. Sorry to make you all sick there, but you've got to put a slight bend in this pipe and actually change it to a short die. So I've got to get really up close on this radius. I'm just going to bump it. And as you see, it kind of crinkles the pipe. When you swedge it, it'll come right back out again. Yeah, sorry about jerking all around there. bend. And I'm sure I'll have to bump it up with this one. Move this out of the way before I crush it. The hair. There we go. Go on to the collector with that. See how it fits. As I'm saying, I can't find it. 10 degrees. And we're gonna bump it back 10 degrees. The opposite side. Like so. Y'all want to see what I'm looking at? I've got a, oh well, now it says 12, but there's my degrees on the top so I can match what I've bent, but okay, we got one pipe started here. I'm going to bring y'all over here underneath and see what I'm looking at. Sorry for that. And I think this viewfinder can see it. Yep, okay. Look at that pipe. Alright. Get right in our way. Go. Got some fuel lines over here. Kind of modify it a little bit. There we go. They're modified. No kinks. No harm, no foul. All right. Keep moving right in front of y'all. I guess I can look and see what. I'm getting used to this camera. Okay, that's that one side. want to. I shouldn't away from my. I use all kinds of things in this process. Anything we can use as a wedge. My wedges fall out constantly, but I have a certain angle I want to be at. Kind of yeah, we're a little high on that. Close to that cross member, but not too close. Have at least a good 1/4 inch here. Yeah, 1/4 to 1/2, 3/8 maybe. Side up, so we're not going to be hitting here. Alright, where's the other pipe? Already got it set in here. That's good. Oops. Yeah, kick the camera around. Get a shot of the other one. I've got to bend it also. There we go. Okay, we'll leave it just like that for now. And I'm going to pull that one off and go bend it up to match this side. Magic marker out. There. Up. There we go. Bang on the hot mark for my stuff. I want to try, see if I'm going. Darn, I guess. Ouch. And that noise would be my head hitting the rear end of the drive shaft. I'm going to keep kicking this camera a few times. Okay, guys. A lot of this I'm probably going to edit out and speed it up so y'all don't hear me talking so much. Okay. Pull the pipe off. And I'll be right back. Let's see how this looks. Okay. Put us close where I want to be. Okay. Since I can't really even these up perfect, I'm going to try to get them as close as I can. Looks like I'm going to have to cut this thing out of the way. Yep, I sure am. The old mount. Alright guys, I'm going to cut you off for a second after I get this old mount out of my way here. I'm going to have to cut this back here So I've got to come up with this pipe a little more to even out my two pipes the way I like it. And then I try to even it from there. I make everything go from there out straight. Seems I gotta go under one side of the cross member, over the other side of the cross member. Kind of keeps me from going all OCD on keeping the pipes even there. But from the mufflers back and the tailpipes, I can keep them even. And that'll work. All right, let me cut this bracket out and we'll come back. All right, y'all hang on.